Hello guys. I'm here with Polestar's brand new electric roadster concept. This thing is seriously futuristic and rethinks what an open-top sports car can be in the electric age. It has a hard top that can open and close at the push of a button, providing that wind in your hair thrill whenever you want. But there's no conventional combustion engine roar. Instead, this roadster is completely silent while providing serious acceleration from its electric powertrain. But that's not the most futuristic part. Polestar has partnered with Aerofugia to integrate an autonomous drone right behind the rear seats. With the press of a button, this aerofoil automatically raises and the drone takes off, following the car at speeds up to 90 km/h. The drone then films you cruising along the coastline or tearing up those winding mountain roads. After your epic drive, the drone returns autonomously and you can edit and share the video clips directly from the huge 15-inch center display. So you get that visceral experience of an open-top roadster with the high-tech features of an electric car. I think Polestar has really nailed the formula here for thrill seekers in the electric age. Let me know your thoughts on this crazy electric roadster concept down in the comments. Thanks for joining with us.